Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making Punjabi Kadhi Pakora. I am so delighted that you have joined me today in making one of my most favorite Indian dishes. If you like this video, we would love to have you as a part of our YouTube family. I want to thank you for subscribing to our channel because we are about to bring to you so many delicious and amazing recipes, and that too completely free. Here are the ingredients for Punjabi Kadhi Pakora. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fenugreek or methi seeds, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon cumin powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 cups of plain yogurt or curd, ginger, garlic and chili paste, salt to taste, cumin seeds, 3 cut green chilies, kasuri methi, gram flour for curry and gram flour for pakoras, 1 large chopped onion, asafoedita, coriander or cilantro leaves, and 2 chopped tomatoes. First, we will start by making the flour for the pakoras. Add 3 cups of gram flour and 1 cut onion, 1 teaspoon of ajwain or garam seeds, chopped green chilies, salt to taste, freshly cut coriander leaves, which is also called cilantro. We will now start mixing all of this together, but first we will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add water slowly and start kneading the flour for the pakoras. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon asafoedita. Now the flour for our pakoras is ready. We will now make the mixture for the curry. Mix 2 cups of yogurt. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt and keep mixing. Then we will add 2 cups of water and then add 1 cup of gram flour. Then we will whisk this mixture together and continuously whisk it so that it doesn't form lumps. Keep whisking it until all of the lumps and all of the gram flour is thoroughly mixed along with the yogurt and water. After they are completely blended, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and mix everything together. Now our curry mixture has been prepared. We are now going to prepare our pakoras. I already have oil heating on the gas. I am going to add 1/4 cup of hot oil into the pakora batter and mix everything together. Then we are going to fry our pakoras. Add little balls of pakora batter into the frying oil. Adding hot oil to the pakoras before frying helps the pakoras become very soft and fluffy. You could also use baking soda instead. Pakoras are now nice and golden brown. I am going to place them onto a tissue paper. Now we will prepare the masala for the curry. Add oil to the pan. Then add cumin seeds. fenugreek seeds, which is also called methi in Hindi, and mustard seeds. Now let them crackle and then give it a good mix. Add 1 teaspoon of asafoedita, add ginger garlic chili paste, give it all a good mix so that all the flavors blend with each other. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, then mix all our ingredients and masala together really well. Now our masala is ready and we are going to add the curry mixture into the masala. Mix everything together, cover the lid and cook for 30 minutes on a medium-low flame. We will check the curry periodically and give it a good stir. It's been 10 minutes now. We are going to go ahead and give it a good stir and continue cooking it on a medium-low flame for another 20 minutes. It's been 20 more minutes and our curry has started boiling. So now we will add 2 tablespoons of garam masala. Add coriander leaves or cilantro. Now add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. I have crushed this kasuri methi between my palms before adding it to the curry. Now we are ready to add our pakoras to the curry. Mix all the masala flavors and the curry along with the pakora. Taste the salt and add extra salt if you need more. Cover the lid and cook for 10 more minutes on a low flame. Our Punjabi Kadhi Pakora is almost ready, but first we will prepare the tadka for garnishing. While we prepare the tadka, we are going to turn off the gas and cover the lid for 10 minutes. I absolutely love adding tadka to the curry for garnishing. We are going to prepare our tadka now. Heat the oil and put half a tablespoon of cumin seeds into the oil, 1 teaspoon of asafoedita. Now turn off the gas and add dried red chilies to our oil. Our tadka is ready. We will now serve our curry and garnish it with the tadka. I love enjoying my curry with some rice. Look how fluffy and soft the pakoras have turned out. And now we will add our tadka garnish to the curry, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more delicious recipes every single week. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, get spiced and thrive.